Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 17, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.54. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 5.09%. This means that, on average, it has generated a return of 0.57% per day since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $342.40, as it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 11.22% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -1.41% to 13.67%. Now, let's dive into the 12-month trend. It suggests a significant 178.05% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 151.88% to 206.95%. This means that after a year, the stock could be priced between $843.91 and $1,028.42. In our latest update for Meta, we have an important headline: weaker technical forecast for Meta as stock downgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, Friday, November 17, 2023, the Meta stock price showed a gain of 0.254%. It went from $334.19 to $335.04. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.87%, reaching a low of $329.35 and a high of $335.50. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 9 of them, resulting in a 6.5% increase over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.51 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached was $338.39, while the lowest was $108.32. Currently, the price is 0.99%, equivalent to $3.35, below the 52-week high, and 12.82%, equivalent to $49.29, below the all-time high on September 1, 2021, when it reached $384.33. Welcome to today's video on analyst ratings. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, Needham gave Meta a grade of underperform with a recommended action to hold. Similarly, KeyBank rated Meta as overweight with a suggested action to hold. Moving on, Goldman Sachs assigned Meta a buy grade while recommending a hold action. Additionally, Roth Capital also gave Meta a buy rating with a suggested action to hold. Last but not least, Barclays rated Meta as buy with a recommended action to hold. These analyst ratings provide valuable insights into the performance of Meta. Analysts have given Meta stock a general buy rating, indicating it is a favorable investment. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy, suggesting that the stock is undervalued based on its price-to-earnings ratio. Additionally, the analysts give the price-to-book ratio a strong buy rating, indicating that the stock is attractively priced relative to its book value. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a more cautious neutral rating, suggesting that the potential returns may not be as high as other investment opportunities. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Meta stock. The Meta stock is showing positive forecast as it holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, the stock is expected to find support from the lines at $330.97 and $315.65. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moving on, there is also a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock. On the negative side, some sell signals were issued recently, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. In fact, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 14, 2023, and so far the stock has fallen by -0.378%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider in your investment strategy. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is giving a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 10 days ago. Now, let's look at the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 16 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 210 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Support levels are important indicators for stocks, and in the case of Meta, we can see some key support levels just below today's level. These levels are at $297.74 and $288.35. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. So, for Meta, if $297.74 is broken, the next support level would be at $288.35 and $283.25. It's important to consider the risk involved in trading a stock. For Meta, the risk is considered to be medium. The stock has average movements during the day and with good trading volume. Looking at the recent data, we can see that the stock moved $6.15 between its high and low, which accounts for a 1.87% change. In the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 2.07%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Meta, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is commonly seen in businesses with a long history and stable revenue streams. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Meta's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 30, 2024. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Meta. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $336.31. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, for those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the flip side, if Meta faces a downward trend, it encounters its first support level at $297.74. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, as it may indicate a potential rebound in the stock's price. Meta has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources, based on their combined average rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. In the most recent insider trades, Mark bought and sold a total of 9,480 shares or options in the company. We've analyzed the 100 most recent insider trades and calculated a negative insider power ratio of -65.800. Looking at the overall picture, insiders have purchased 35,875 shares and sold 175,554 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is $325.36, representing a decrease of 2.89%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 87, which substantially increases the risk involved. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 3 days ago. Is investing in Meta stock a good idea? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating a positive trend for Meta stock. This suggests that there might be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Monday, November 20th, we anticipate that Meta stock will open with a decrease of -$1.74, starting at $333.30. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinion. What's your target for this stock? If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.